Hey folks, Sev here, and today I will be showing you how easy it is to measure sentiment of a sentence using Stack Moxie Behavioral Framework, using both a traditional sentiment benchmark and a large language model. And what I'm going to do today is use two sentences. One is being Vader is very smart, handsome, and funny. And the second sentence, EU legislation to combat violent crime has come into effect today. I'm going to be running those sentences through two different benchmarks. One is established benchmark, and the second one, a large language model. And we're going to evaluate the sentiment of each sentence on a scale of -1 to 1, where -1 stands for the extremely negative sentiment of a sentence, and 1 stands for extremely the most positive sentiment of the sentence. And then we're going to compare the accuracy of the two benchmarks. All right, so I'm going to run this scenario right now. And I'm also going to walk you through the results. All right, first we're running a Vader sentiment of Vader is very smart, handsome, and funny. As you can see, we got a very positive sentiment of a sentence. And the reason why Vader produced a very positive score is because it counts words against the lexicon. And each word has either a positive score and a negative score. So you can see that smart, handsome, funny are all positive words. So aggregated score of the sentence is very high. Now, we run the same sentence through the language model. The language model took the whole sentence and estimated that the sentiment is highly positive, and that correlates to Vader's benchmark as well. Now, in a third example, we run the sentence EU legislation to combat violent crime has come into effect today through Vader benchmark. And you can see there is a little bit of surprise here. Actually, not a little bit, quite a bit of a surprise here. The sentiment score of a sentence is extremely negative. And the reason being, again, because Vader counts the each word in a sentence against the benchmark, assigning it a negative score. So you see combat violent crime, that's three negative words, and as a result, the aggregated score comes as extremely negative. And then if we run the same sentence through a large language model, the large language model determines that the sentiment score of the sentence is actually slightly positive. And in this case, I think most people would agree that understanding the semantic of the whole sentence is that the sentiment of the sentence is positive. So the score that is produced by the model is much more human relatable than established Vader benchmark. That's all, folks. Thank you very much.